Laemchabang Port is the largest deep-sea port in Thailand, providing international cargo handling services on an area of 8,600 rai. It is being developed as a standard port with both Phase 1 and Phase 2 ongoing construction projects. The public sector participates in the management by operating the port with modern technology. Container and cruise ships pass through the port not less than 12,000 times per year. Because of the high volume of container handling, Laemchabang Port is ranked among the top 20 ports in the world and is capable of accommodating extra-large cargo ships like the Super Post Panamax. Laemchabang Port has the capacity to handle cargo containers not less than 11 million TEUs per year. Also, the port handles 2 million automobiles per year, which rates Laemchabang as one of the top 5 ports in the world. Laemchabang Port has solved the traffic problem by enlarging the roads, providing facilities, and increasing the number of lanes at the gates from 12 lanes to 27 lanes. As a result, the traffic congestion at the port has been greatly reduced. In addition, Laemchabang Port has cooperated with the Customs Department in upgrading its service by installing e-matching program at the gates. This program simplifies the document process and reduces the time the containers spend being checked at the gate, resulting in shorter lines of waiting vehicles. Laemchabang Port has efficient transportation systems that connect it with production sites and all other regions of the country. All modes of transport, including road and railway, are conveniently accessible. As for railway transportation, Laemchabang Port has established a single rail transfer operator in response to the government's policy of shifting the mode of transport from road to railway in order to reduce the overall cost of logistics in Thailand and encourages entrepreneurs to use trains for transportation of goods more frequently. Quality infrastructure and facilities are provided, and rail-mounted gantry cranes are installed to handle containers from several trains simultaneously. There is also water transportation, which uses coastal ships to connect the port with the southern region of Thailand. Transportation via rivers, including the Chao Phraya, is also available. At present time, there is the Coastal Terminal A development project for the handling of cargo from coastal ships to respond to the policy of shifting mode of transportation to water and solving the traffic problem of vessels coming to the Laemchabang Port. As for safety, Laemchabang Port cooperates with the Customs Department in checking the containers according to the Mega Port Project, which includes the installation of radiation detector for inspecting all containers going in and out of the port. Also, there is a fixed X-ray system for detailed inspection of cargo in the containers transported by road and railway for heightened security measures. The end result of effective management of the Laemchabang Port has resulted in a continuous growth rate of about 5% per year. At the moment, Laemchabang Port has installed automation container handling technology by which the operation process can be controlled remotely from the control room rather than the crane. This is state-of-the-art technology to ensure safety. In terms of location, Thailand is the center that connects all economic groups from Asia, from the north to the south, or China to Indonesia, and from the east to the west, or from Vietnam to Myanmar. Furthermore, being in the midst of Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, and Vietnam makes Thailand the best location for investment because it can connect all ASEAN countries to the entire world. Therefore, the government is committed to promote and upgrade the eastern coastal area of Thailand to become the Eastern Economic Corridor, or EEC, enabling Thailand toward becoming the economic center of Asia in this decade. The third phase of Laemchabang Port Development Project is a part of the strategy to increase the potential of the port to become port of the future. It also conforms to the government policy in developing the infrastructure of land transportation and water transportation, so Thailand can become the Eastern Economic Corridor and will be able to meet the higher demand of inter-country sea freight in the future. The capacity of the port to handle containers will be increased from 11 million TEUs per year to 18 million TEUs per year. Consequently, Laemchabang Port will have the number of cargo containers transported through them equal to that of the top 10 ports in the world. Today, Laemchabang Port is focusing on providing environmental-friendly services, or becoming a green port. It produces electricity from a wind farm located on an area of 100 rai to support its power system. The port also uses electrical machines to reduce the need for fossil fuel energy. As for community relations and local environment management, Laemchabang Port arranges relationship-building activities with local communities and cooperates with them in conserving and developing the mangrove forests in the area around the port on World Environment Day every year. Laemchabang Port today is not only a port of global standard, but it also has a complete full-cycle transportation system covering road, waterway, and railway to support its strategic position. This will help Laemchabang Port to be the world's leading port, ensuring seamless connection of logistics chain and global trade.